Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for one stitch buttonhole. So I have a little sample piece here where I picked up the stitches along here and knitted a little bit of rib, and we're going to do a buttonhole on here. So this is Amazon Super Chunky and 9mm needles. Okay, so we'll get started. So I'll just knit 2 stitches of the rib and then we'll do the buttonhole. So it's knit 2 together and then yarn forward, and then I'll knit a couple of rib stitches. Your pattern will tell you how many to knit in between the buttonholes. I'm just doing this to show you. So this is another one, so we knit 2 together, that's the decrease, and then we create a stitch by bringing the yarn forward. So then when we do the next stitch, we've created a stitch there, and that's the hole. You'll see the hole when we go back on the way back. So we rib a couple of stitches again, and then another buttonhole. So let's knit 2 together, yarn forward. There are other ways of doing a single buttonhole as well, a one stitch buttonhole, and I'll be doing some videos on them as well. There we are. We've no more room for any more buttonholes, so I'll rib to the end, and then we turn round. And you just rib over the stitches again. So that's the yarn over, and we just knit that as it sits there, which gives you the whole buttonhole. So just keep going along. Oops. That's the yarn over again. Okay, this welt's quite big on this, just to show you what the buttonholes look like. So there you can see the buttonholes there. I'll just do one more row. So you can imagine on a baby garment this is nice and delicate. You can use the pretty little buttons, or cute little buttons, whichever. Nearly there. So there we are. So then the next row I would cast off. So those are your buttonholes. Turn around, you see a bit better on the right side. So there you go. See the buttonholes. So I hope that was helpful, and if you keep an eye out for my other buttonhole videos, because there are lots of different ways, and depending on what your pattern asks for and what kind of effect you're after. Alright, I hope that was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.